Okay, y'all. Tory Lanez has some bad news, y'all. His appeals denied, y'all. Denied. And we are about to talk about it. Okay, y'all? Hello? Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to my day ones, twos, and threes. Thank you to all my new subscribers that's coming in. That means well. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you all and welcome. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, so everything is alleged. Some is not. And the fair accuse is in my description box, y'all. So let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. First, I want to say happy Thursday. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Please stay safe and all that good stuff. Please stay aware of your surroundings. And please, y'all, watch the company that you keep, because it just may save your life or keep you out of trouble. Okay, y'all? So let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it, y'all. Tory Lanez, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Out of all the evidence that they have submitted, witnesses, this and that and this, the judge in the appeals court has denied him, y'all. The California Court of Appeals has rejected 2 petitions from Tory Lanez. Okay, y'all? Blocking his attempt to present new evidence in the Megan Thee Stallion case. Okay, y'all? Tory's legal team had sought to introduce testimony from his driver and a security guard for Kelsey Harris. Now, the thing of it is, y'all, why didn't they do this the first time? I don't understand that part. Okay? As well as claims about DNA testing and evidence handling. The court found no grounds to admit this information, y'all. This is crazy. From what we done heard about this and all the lies and this and that, you would have thought that they would have at least been able to put that in. The judge denied it flat out, y'all. Which means to me, there's somebody behind the scenes that's controlling some things. Just my personal opinion. Okay, y'all? This meaning his 10-year prison sentence will remain in place. So he got to do them 10 years no matter what. No appeals, no nothing. This ruling marks another major setback for Tory, y'all, who was convicted in 2022. He got a long way to go, y'all. 2022. Do he have to do the full 10 years? Y'all let me know in the comment section, because I'm not sure about that. Because I know sometimes they give them 10 years and they got to do a portion or whatever. Y'all let me know, do he have to do that full 10 years, or do you know, is this his first offense, going to jail or whatever? I don't know. Okay. They're saying that his lawyers had argued that the new evidence could have had influence, y'all. Could have influenced the jury's decision. But the appellate court's denial leaves him without any option, y'all. One small part of his appeal, a request for statistics under California's Racial Justice Act, was left open for possible reconsideration. So that's a plus, I guess, y'all. That's a plus. But it does not affect his conviction or sentence at this stage. So even that don't matter. That's what they saying. Despite that defeat, Tory still has his main appeal pending. Okay, so he still got some mess pending. Oral arguments that for that case are scheduled to take place next week, offering him one more chance to challenge his conviction and sentence through this process. Okay, y'all? Until then, he remains required to serve his full decade-long sentence. Okay, so they're saying he still got to serve the full time. Y'all, this is crazy. And I'm going to tell y'all this. I got a feeling, y'all, that if he didn't do this, either he did this and, you know, there's a lot of lies swirling around and he really did hit it in the pinky toe, y'all. I'm just saying. Or somebody behind the scenes is making sure that this man stay behind bars, no matter what. And we know how the industry is. It's not just about this whole Jay-Z and all this stuff. To me, Tory was teaching people how to do to make it in the industry without having to sign to artists and all of this stuff, to sign to not artists but management teams and labels. He was teaching people how to do stuff a different way and still make this money, and he didn't have all these people in his pockets and this and that and this. Not to mention, Tory helps a lot of people. When he went to prison, he was helping other prisoners. He's very smart, y'all. Okay, when it comes to book wise and stuff like that. When it comes to the streets, he ain't too bright, okay? Because if you got somebody that offer you a deal and you turn them down, you don't start dating their artists, because they got control over their artists, and they control everything they do. And if they want them to line you up for something, they'll do it. So he ain't too smart when it comes to streets and stuff like that. But book wise, he's very smart. He had people in the prison getting their sentences overturned and all kind of stuff, y'all. All kind of stuff. So this guy is very, very smart. And anytime you're smart and you're stopping people from making money, you're a problem. You're a problem. Do you understand the severity, y'all, of being able to sign to not sign and still make the same money, and you ain't got to worry about labels and people putting contracts on you and insurance policies on you and lining you up when they pockets start, they need liquidation time, lining you up. He was teaching people how to do that without being bothered with these labels. These labels been getting over on these artists for a long time, y'all. A very long time. The artist, they're the person with the talent. They're the person that's running around here doing all the work and everything. And these labels, y'all, these labels ain't been doing nothing but sitting back getting rich off of these artists. And when the artists, things kind of die down a little bit and there's nothing else left for them to do but, sit back, and if hopefully they invest it well or whatever. When they, there's no buzz around them after a while. A lot of these artists are worth more gone than they are here. And the label still continues to make money off of you. If you're alive, they make money off of you. They make money off of you when you pass. So when that money dry up and they're not making money off of you while you're alive, best believe your time is coming up. So he was teaching people a way around that, y'all. And that's huge. Because the labels don't want you to know how to make it out here. To line up shows and get you somebody that'll help you manage, a good manager, not somebody gonna set you up so they can get rich too. But you get you a good manager and you go around and line up shows and this and that, and you build your own popularity up on social media or whatever. The labels is getting cut out of that money, and they don't want that. They don't want nobody to preach that. So I think that this is bigger than Megan and all of that stuff. I think she was just used as a pawn to, do what they wanted them to do, to get him out the way. That's my personal opinion, y'all. But if he didn't do it, prayers up for him, and hopefully next week he gets some good news, because they're saying he still got a little bit of a chance left. So hopefully, something works in his favor. But so far, it seems like somebody has paid people to make sure this man don't go nowhere, y'all. This is what it's looking like to me. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. And thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.